of all values divided by number of values. This is the formula to calculate mean value. Let us start exercise 17.4 based on this formula. 17.4, find the mean of, first find the mean of first A, it is 10, 15, 10, 7.2, 7.3 are omitted. Write on this. 25, 30. Find the mean value of this. Find the mean value of this. Find the mean value of this. Yes. Now find the mean value of this. So, how many values are given? How many values are given? How 6? How many values are given? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, number of values are 5. Write on this. Number of values is equal to 5. 5 values are given. 5 values are given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we write mean will be sum of all the values given. That will be 10 plus 15 plus 20 plus 25 plus 30. Sum of all the values given. Divide this total by total number of values given. Number of values given is 5. So mean is sum of all the values given. Sum of all the values given divided by number of values given. So you add all the values given. So mean value will be, yes, 10 plus 15, 25. 25 plus 20, 45. 45 plus 25 is 70. 70 plus 30 is 100. 100 divided by 5. 100 divided by 5. So you can cancel 100. 5 ones are 5. 5, 20. So answer is mean value is 20. Mean value is 20. The formula for mean value is sum of all the values given. So you add all the values 10 plus 15 plus 20 plus 25 plus 30. Divide by then it is 100. 100 divided by 5. 5 2s are 10. Then 0 is there. Understood? Yes. Now B. Last 0 is carried as it is. 32, 32, 34. Write on this. 36, 38, 36, 38, 40, 42, 40, 42, then 44, 46, 44, 46 and 48. This I am giving homework because you have to add all the values. How many values are given? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Divide total by 9. Yes, divide total by 9. I will get mean value. Homework. Then C part, it is 1 by 2, 3 is to 1 by 2 mixed fraction. Homework, 4 is to 1 by 2, and then it is 7 is to 1 by 2. B part is homework. C I will do. C I will do, B is homework. My dear, you add all the values, divide total by total number of values given. That is 9. No, it will not be 5. You count the values. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You divide total by 9. Instead of 5, it will be 9. What? Wait. Who is doing that? Huh? Who is doing that? Next time I will not admit you at any cost. 3 2s are 6. This is mixed fraction. 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7 by 2. B is homework. 4 2s are 8 plus 1 9 by 2. Then 7 2s are 14 plus 1 15 by 2. Mixed fraction we convert in this form. Now let us do. To find mean value, we find sum of all the values. So first we find sum of all the values. We find sum of all the values. We find sum of. So whenever it is mixed fraction, it is clear, right? Whenever it is mixed fraction, you find sum of all the values. So we find sum of all values. Sum of all the values. What is sum of all the values? That is 1 by 2 plus 7 by 2 plus 9 by 2 plus 15 by 2. Correct? So first we add all the values. Now this is a fraction. All are fraction. And denominator of all the fraction is same. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. So I can add their numerator. So whenever denominator is same, we can add the numerator. So that will be 1 plus 7, 1 plus 7 plus 9 plus 15, and denominator I will take common, that is 2. 1 plus 7, 8, 8 plus 9, 17, 7. If denominator is not same, then I will take LCM, yes. Then it is 32. 32 divided by 2. 32 divided by 2 is 16. 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 2 6s are 12, 16. So sum of all the values is 16. Sum of all values is 16. Sum of all values is 16. Okay, we have calculated this sum of all the values. Now we calculate mean. What is the formula for mean? B, you leave half page. B, you leave half page. Mean is sum of all values. Sum of, yes, sum of all values. My dear, no, B is homework. How we can discuss right now? B is a homework, no? Why are you doing that? You do it afterwards. So mean is sum of all the values. What is sum of all the values? 16. Divide by number of values given. How many values are given? Tell me. How many values are given? 1, 2, 3, 4. How 5? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many values are given? 4. So divide this sum of values 16 by 4. 16 divided by 4 is 4. 4 1s are 4. 4 4s are 16. So mean value is 4. For this C part, mean value is 4. For C part, mean value is 4. So formula for mean is sum of all the values divided by number of values given. How many values are given for C part? 1, 2, 3, 4. So divide this total by 4. Number of values will be 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. My dear, 100 upon 5, you cancel, no, 5 2s are 10, then 0 is there. Mean 20 is the answer of A part. For C, the answer is 4. For C, the answer is 4. Then D. Sum of all the values will be 16. No, because my dear CS, 1 by 2 plus 7 by 2 plus 9 by 2 plus 15 by 2. Now all are fraction. whenever in fraction denominator is same, we can add numerators. So denominator same, 2, 2, 2, 2, that 2 I will take common. Then I will add the numerator 1 plus 7 plus 9 plus 15. 1 plus 7, 8, 8 plus 9, 17, 17 plus 15, 32. 32 divided by 2 is 16. So sum of all the values is 60. Then mean is sum of all the values divided by number of values given. Sum of all the values is 16. How many values are given? 1, 2, 3, 4. Divide this total 16 by 4. You will get mean as 4. You will get mean value. Because my dear, it is not 2. I have divided by 2. I have divided by 2. It is not 2. It is 16. 32. This total will be 32 divided by 2 is 16. It is not equal to 2. 2 is there in the denominator, my dear. This 2 is there in the denominator. 2 is there in the denominator. D 3.5, 3.5, 4.5. Let it be 6.5. You can add the decimal, no? 9.5 and 2.5. This I am giving homework. Because they are in the decimal, you know how to add the decimal. No, my dear, he will not be admitted because the name is given montage maker. Who is our student? Montage maker. No admission. Because unless and until name is proper, how we can admit? So D is homework. The name should be proper. Then second one, D you can add the decimal, no? What is there in the decimal? What is there in the decimal? Decimal. Because my dear, sum of all the values is 16. Divide by number of values given. How many values are given? 1, 2, 3, 4. Divide 16 by 4. 4 1 are 4, 4 4 are 16. So mean value is 4. Find the 1 minute. Board is very much clear. Find the mean of. Okay. Decimals. Then divide this total by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Divide total by 5. That's all. Find the mean of first 6 natural number. First 6 natural number. First 6 natural number. What are first 6 natural numbers? Tell me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Leave half page, my dear. Leave half page. Now further part will be homework. Find the mean. Further part will be homework. Then first 7 multiple of 7. First 7. My dear. Right. First 7 multiple of 7. First 7. My dear, first 6 natural number are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Add all these values, divide by 6. Add all the values 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6, divide by 6. You will get mean. First 7 multiple of 7. First 7 multiple of 7 are 7, 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42 and 49. Yes. But that's all. Then you add them, divide this total by 7. Huh. A1, my dear, find the mean of first 6 natural number. First 6 natural number are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You want to find the mean of these. You have to take. Yes. B is also homework. Now C I will do. Because C is slightly different. Now C is the prime number between 10 to 40. The prime number between 10 to 40. The prime numbers between 10 to 40. B1 you add all the values, divide by 7. Prime numbers between 10 to 40. So first you list the prime numbers between 10 to 40. So what are the prime numbers between 10 to 40? Prime numbers mean those numbers which are divisible by first you add all the values, divide this total by 7. Now prime number means those numbers which are divisible by itself. 11, then 11, 13, then 15 is not there. 17, then 19, 20, 21 will not be there, 22 will not be there, 23. Then 24, 25, 26, 27 will not be there. 27 will not be there. It is not a prime number. 28 not. 29, 30, 31. Then 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. 38, 39 will not be there. But only this much. Only this much, my dear. So mean value is you add all the values. 11 plus 13 plus 17 plus 19 plus 23 plus 29 plus 31 plus 37, divide this by total number of values given. How many values are given? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Divide this by 8. So you add first and second are easy, so that is why I had given homework. So now you add them. 7 plus 1, 8 plus 9, 17 plus 3, 20 plus 29, 29 plus 7, 36, 36 plus 3, 39, 39 plus 1, 40, then 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 1, 6, plus 1, 7, plus 1, 8, plus 2, 10, plus 12, plus 12 plus 3, 15, plus 3, 18. 180 divided by 8. B1 you add all the values, no? B1 you add all the values, divide by total number of values given. B1 you add all the values. Now 180 divided by 8. You can cancel, you can do the division. You can do the division, my dear. 8 how it has come, because how many values are given? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Number of values are 8. So divide total by 8. So 180 you divide by 8. Do the division. 8 2 is 16. Then it is 20. Then 8 2 is 16. Then it is 4. Then point will come. then it 28 5s are 40, so 22.5, so it is 22.5, so mean value is 22.5. Yes, you can do the rest. Mean value is 22.5. Now D1 mean value means you add all the values, divide by total number of values given. Mean value means D1 is easy. Yes, D1 is easy. First 6 odd numbers. First 6 odd numbers. First 6 odd numbers. My dear, odd numbers are 1, then 3, 5, 7, 9, then 11, then 13. We want 6 odd number. Only 6. Only 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Then you can find mean. You add all the number, divide by 6. You add all the number, divide by 6. You will get mean value. Then third one. The number of 10 students who received maths marks are as follows. 10 students. 10 students received. D1 you add all the values, no? 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 divided by 6. So D1 we are given number of students. Third one, number of students is 10. Then their marks are given. Maths marks are given. What are maths marks? The maths marks are 20, 16, 20, 16, 20, then 08, 06, 08, 06. No, we directly write 05, 15, 12, 15, 12, 18, 10. 18, 10. So there are 10 students, and for each student they get the marks for math subject. First student get 20 marks, second student get 16 marks, third student get 20 marks, fourth student 8 marks, fifth student 6 marks, sixth student 5 marks, seventh student 15, eighth student 12, ninth student 18, 10th student 10 marks. Find the mean. So how we calculate mean? To calculate mean, I will add all the marks. That is 20 plus 16 plus 20 plus 8 plus 6 plus 5 plus 15 plus 12 plus 18 plus 10. Divide this total by total number of values given. How many values are given? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Divide this by 10. So add all the marks. Yes, my dear, add all the marks. Okay, so mean value is 130 divided by 10. So mean value is 130 divided by 10. 130 divided by 10. 1 0 get cancelled, no? This 0 get cancelled. What is left? 13. So mean value is 13. Mean value is 13. Mean value is 13. Is it clear? Then now mean value is 13. Now 4th and 6th will be homework. 4th is homework. Question I am not writing because I don't have space. 4th one is homework. Then fifth one I will do. You are given the mean of 9, 14, x, 16 and 7. These are values given. 7 and 18. Their mean value is given 11.5. Mean value is given 11.5. Find the value of x. So what we have to find? We have to find x. So these are the values given, mean values given. Find x. So what is the formula for mean? Tell me. What is the formula for mean? Sum of all the values. 9 plus 14 plus x plus 16 plus 7 plus 18. You add all the values.